All right, guys, welcome to Zoom, our virtual meeting area. If you guys go to zoom.us, you'll see that you have a couple of options here. One is to sign up because it's free. And once you do that, the other one is to sign in. So if you've never done Zoom before, the first thing you need to do is sign up, and you can put in your email, verify it through email, and then you'll come right back here and click the sign in button. So when you do that, you are going to choose the email that you signed up with, okay? And you are going to write the password that you chose. Let me just make sure. That's okay. Here we go. Okay, and then click sign in. And once you get in, you are able to set up your own profile. Now, is it necessary to set up a profile? No. But what is cool is that while you're waiting for a meeting to start, you could have your profile picture there, okay? So the biggest thing is the meeting, right? That's why we're here. So what you can do is you can schedule a meeting, or you can plan a meeting, host a meeting. So if I wanted to schedule a meeting, and let's just say it was FA staff meeting, and I wanted it to be for today at 11 o'clock, and I wanted it to be for just 30 minutes, okay? I can choose a meeting password if I want, videos I'm gonna put on, because I want to hear you guys. Anyone can join, okay? Record the meeting automatically for anyone who can't make it. And then boom, I just created a meeting. Now, what's so cool is that you can give anybody this link to the meeting, and anyone who has the link can join the meeting, okay? You can also send it to your own Google Calendars or any reminders whatsoever. And then when you are ready to start the meeting, you will pop into your Zoom room, and each room has a unique address, okay? So you'll run the Zoom. This has been a while since I've done this on this computer, so the first time will probably take you the longest. And again, there's a Zoom app here as well, so you don't need to only access Zoom on your browser. You can access it through the app as well. And then once you download everything, boom, you're in the room. And then as people join this meeting, you will see their videos and their tiles. You can, have the chat box up. Hola, everyone. And then whoever is in the meeting can see that chat box. You can share your screen. You can manage your participants. So you can, like if you're with a student and maybe they're being a little squirrely, you can mute that participant. You can do nonverbal cues like wave and clapping. Let's see, what else can you do? You can share multiple screens at the same time. So this is just a really beautiful virtual meeting space that is going to be a great tool if you guys decide to use this. Also, another thing you can do is you can share any files here with all of the participants of the meeting as well. So if you have an agenda or if you have a worksheet you want to do, you can just shoot it right out here through the chat box. So there is your quick and easy tutorial of Zoom. If you follow the steps of this video and you are still having problems, go ahead and email me. We will put my email in this email, so you can contact me with any questions you have. Have a great day.